Open Haor on one side, dam on the other side. This dam is guarded by Nikli Settlement. Nikli is an upazila under Kishoreganj district in Bangladesh. Once upon a time, there was no dam. During the monsoon season, the open waves of the Haor would hit the Nikli land. This dam has been built to stop the waves of the Haor. Later, the area came to be known as Nikli Dam. Nikli embankment is very beautiful in the rainy season. Tourists come to see this beauty. Nikli is now a well-known name in Haor tourism. Where the dam ends, then a piece of Haor, and after that, the Haor River. As far as the eye can see across the river, everything is Haor. When there is a dry season, crops are grown on open ground. After harvesting, the tide comes to the Haor River. The river overflows and spreads to Haor. The water of the Haor merges with the sky. Travel Life is bringing you a beautiful view of the world from Nikli Haor.